Hello friends, this is Rohit Patil and welcome to TechV18. You may have heard about Android rooting, or you have seen many apps in Play Store which requires root access to work. If you are not familiar with Android development, then you may have some questions regarding Android rooting. So I will explain Android rooting on basis of some question. What is Android rooting? If you have tried to install any software in your PC, then you may have observed that it always requires administrator permission to copy all software data in Drive C, or in simple word, in the system. So same is Android rooting. In Android OS, we are not allowed to edit or delete any of system files without rooting our device. Imagine there is a shield which protects all of your system files from being edited or moved. So rooting is like breaking that shield in order to obtain access over system files. So this was the easiest way I was thinking to explain this term. Second, what does Android rooting do? As I said earlier, it will give you access over your system files. You can modify them, delete them, move them, or copy any other file into system folder. Now take an example. You bought a new Android device, but there are many unwanted apps present and you want rid of those apps as they consume RAM as well as storage. So what would you do to remove them? You will simply uninstall them, but in some cases you can't remove them as there would be no uninstall option. Now if you have your device rooted, then you can remove them by simply installing third-party app which allows you to delete those apps. All you need is to grant root access for that third-party app and select app you want to remove and delete it. What are basic advantages of Android rooting? One of the advantage I just said, so that would be the first advantage, that is to delete system apps. Not only that, you can even customize your whole system. If you notice, only Samsung and some other companies allows you to change font. But for remaining devices, you will need to root your device in order to change font. You can do it by installing iPhone app. You can change everything. You can change battery icon, add image in your notification panel. You can set a theme to your device. There are many modules available. You can use them by installing Xfce installer, which allows you to do various things. Not only that, you can even change whole system or user interface by installing custom ROMs. So you will learn a lot about Android developing once you root your device. What are disadvantages? As we know, every good thing comes with some risk. So the main and the biggest disadvantage is it will void your warranty. Yes, it will void your device warranty. That means you will no longer take advantage of free service from the respective company. So the rooting means most likely breaking company's terms and conditions as well. But there are some companies like OnePlus U from India which allows you to have your device in warranty even if you root your device. Another disadvantage is if you do anything wrong while rooting or doing other stuffs related with rooting, you will end up breaking your device. That means either your device will stuck on boot logo or won't start. But many times you can recover your device by following some methods, that is installing stock ROM, or you can say stock firmware into your device again. You can have a look on one more method I explained, which was for all Samsung devices. There is no specific method which will root every device, so depends upon which device you use, you will need to search for root access. We have Google, so you can just Google it. Is it necessary to root your device? My answer would be no, it is not necessary to root your device as long as you are happy with your device UI and performance. In previous version of Android, we had to root our device for many things like taking screenshot, recording screen, but now it is possible even without rooting. With every new upgrade, Android comes with new functionalities. So it is all up to you to root your device or not. Remember one thing, rooting is only applicable for Android. iOS and Windows Phone has their own concept, jailbreaking. So friends, that's what I had to share. If you have any question regarding Android rooting, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.